Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your machine and hardware speak the same language. Install the latest Rekordbox and firmware, then open Preferences and enable Link Export or Link Export plus Sync so Rekordbox can share tempo and beat grids. Once done, connect your DDJ or standalone players via USB, choose the device in audio/MIDI settings, and grant any access prompts. This step lets Rekordbox act as the master clock and prepares your library to push metadata and beat information to the linked devices. Now you focus on the tracks and matching system settings. Analyze your library so Rekordbox calculates BPM, key, and beat grids, then correct any misaligned grids and set a reliable base BPM for each track because sync follows that grid. Make cue points and enable quantize to keep sync-safe transitions. Next, enable sync on the decks you want to control and confirm beat sync mode and tempo range and preferences. This alignment ensures tracks stay locked and musical when you toggle sync live. You finish by executing live synchronization and validating performance. Engage sync on each deck to lock BPMs, then nudge tempo faders slightly to taste while watching phase alignment. Use the master deck to set the reference tempo. Test a few transitions, loops, and hot cues to confirm they follow the grid. If you detect drift, stop, reanalyze the track, correct the beat grid alignment, and reduce the allowed tempo range. This fixes most sync issues and restores tight musical playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.